guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are giving Mike's S4 a full makeover with the ECS Tuning rear diffuser, front lips, and fog light overlays. They're not fog lights, are they?
Those cars don't have fog lights. Hi guys.
They're the grill. They're the crash. They're the grill sensor. They're the grill overlays. But if you guys haven't been following Mike's build for a while, he did get the air ride. That was last episode, and he got new wheels. They were from Joey's previous A6. They are work VSSX, and they look phenomenal. They're gray on the inside, and then they're polished mirror, polished silver, polished lips, baby. Woo! It looks so clean. Like the silver in the center almost is paint matched to the car, and it just pops with the brakes. So I'm excited to see what all these pieces look like together on the car. Get going unwrapping, and then we're gonna start putting the pieces on. Let's start with the gear in the rear. The car's raised up. We're gonna leave the plastic wrap on the actual components to keep them from getting scratched up while we're installing. Just kind of expose the plastic where we need to actually apply it to the actual bumper. Mike, get an extra set of gloves. It didn't come with actual hardware specs. Maybe I don't know. I'm always using my own anyway, so but yeah. All right, nothing bother me. No worries, Mike's got a bunch of hardware, so.
Trying to show off there, big boy?
They have wheels, but I decided to pick them up.
Chris, finally doing work on this channel.
Damn.
Told you though. Told you.
Getting chirped at. It's hot today.
But if you don't even deny it, because we all know you don't.
I'm not denying it.
Rear diffuser has 2 bolts, and the rest is just slid on clips.
Yeah.
So all I'm gonna do is just pull it off, put the new one in, and we're gonna be done.
Pull it and put it. That's all Mike needs to do.
We're gonna be laying, both of us are gonna be laying underneath?
We're gonna be laying together on the ground, underneath the car. So just the two here.
210s?
So we're pretty much reusing the hardware then.
Yeah, for the rear at least.
For the rears, yeah.
My god, it's hot.
Yeah. Here, I'll just sweat my teeth off right. Just pull, yeah.
I think. Just not too much, hold on.
I'm gonna wait for you to.
I'm just trying to figure out if there's...
This is the worst. This is the hardest part. Oh, it pulls straight, not, yeah, it pulls straight.
Yeah, just hold the bumper so it doesn't...
Yeah, there we go. Just be careful when you're pulling this out, guys. It looks like these tabs are pretty fragile. It just pulls straight out and back.
Hold on, stop.
Sensor.
Oh, that's the Oh, okay.
Oh.
That's the sensor for opening your trunk.
Oh, okay.
And we never knew where the hell it is.
Yeah.
There it
until
is.
right now.
See,
I need to get it to hook somewhere because I don't think the new one has it.
I wonder if you can just like tape it inside.
Probably.
So there's a little cord, that's the sensor. So when you put your feet down underneath the trunk pops open. That's where the cord lays. On my car, I don't have the little trunk sensor. So actually, I like kicked my bumper by accident because I thought I had it because I saw you were doing it.
Well, we're gonna figure it out eventually.
Out with the old, in with the new.
I would start from the middle.
Okay.
Just align it, press it in.
That clipped in. That clipped in.
Now we did.
Oh shit, we have tucked this in. Oh, if you get access underneath
No,
there.
I will access it.
Alright. There we go. Most satisfying part.
I know, I'm gonna have to pull it out. I know.
I'm thinking we should have actually just taken it out to begin with.
I didn't want to scratch it.
Yeah.
It's really thin.
retract what we said earlier about leaving the wrap on there. Just take it off.
If it was thicker,
if it was a little bit thicker, we'd be fine. Just take the wrap off. Just be careful with it when you install it. Don't scratch it.
You also could just do the parts that are just touching the car.
Yeah, well.
And then take off the rest of the plastic.
This is our fault. We should have just peeled it off the top part while we knew it was going to go in there, but we just left the whole thing on.
You were excited.
We were excited.
see, I don't want to pull it back out, because if I pull it back out, I may break some of the clips.
Yeah.
But I may need to, just because it doesn't like it out. Hold on, don't take it out. I'm just gonna lift it and see how far I can get out from this.
You want to screw these, right?
No, they just fell out.
Looks like they just slide in.
Yeah, they should. But for now, it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to pull it out.
Which clip is it? 'Cause I can probably push it from the inside.
All of them? Damn, they really clicked in.
Yeah.
I don't want to push it too hard. So you need to pull on it, and then you can, if you pull it down, just like I did, you can kind of get underneath and scuff it out. I'm gonna roll it in. It's eventually gonna just get out on its own. It really doesn't matter.
We don't want to break the bottom clip. It got in there pretty snug, so instead of trying to pull it out right now, we're just pushing the wrap and kind of clean it up inside. We messed up on our part. We should just taken the wrap off where we knew it was going to connect. We didn't do that, so now we got to deal with pushing it. But the bumper's pretty much installed right now. It's super easy install. Literally 2 minutes. Out.
And this thing is gonna get out on its own sooner or later.
Yeah. I mean, it's just tiny pieces of plastic. It's not a big deal.
Woo! Yeah, I definitely didn't look this through because I got way too excited. Okay.
Good. It's really good. I still have it on there. I like it a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Probably my favorite feature on my car, to be honest.
Damn. Boys, this is Alejandro.
Nice meeting you guys.
He bought the steering wheel for my old Golf R.
Yeah.
Can we take a little peek real quick?
Yeah. It's a mess in there, honestly. So.
Wait,
the actual steering wheel.
Yeah, it's a mess in there, but.
Forged carbon wheel. Beauty. Absolute beauty. Dude, the car's looking super clean.
Thank you.
You did not have the
fenders or the hood. Yeah.
Last time I saw you.
Or the lip. I don't think I had any of that on there.
Yeah, you didn't have the lip or the hood or the fenders. Maybe you had the rear tail?
Maybe.
Just still stage 2 or?
Yeah, that's it. Stage 2 for now. We do the rear spoiler and the lip. The clear cut's fading on both of them, so.
Oh, it's still looking so good, man. Damn. Makes you miss my Golf R. I love the S4, don't get me wrong. I love the
S4 is sick. What's up, fucker?
¿Qué pasa, puto?
How you doing? So we're sweating our tits off. We just finished up the rear diffuser.
Nice.
And it looks great. It looks really good.
That one was just flat.
Yeah, it was just
nothing.
It had the fins, but it was really small.
Yeah, it's a lot more aggressive than the last one.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna install the side fins. I don't know. Side rear spouts. Rear spouts.
Who's English is second language?
This is a new terminology, man. I didn't know they were spouts. I thought they were just like an extended side.
Somebody
shirt.
sponsor Rosetta Stone for this guy.
Cheers. I'm just gonna blame it on the heat, man. It's just going in my head right now.
Whenever you're ready. You ready or you're not ready?
We're ready.
Okay. So the idea here is to install those spouts somewhere so they align with the bottom of the bumper. Like there's a lip on the bottom of the bumper, so you can just align it, and that's it. This time I'm taking the foil off.
Well, we gotta screw them in ourselves up there. There's no mounting place.
There's 3 holes,
and it goes in the bumper.
Press it in from the middle, and now hold it. Okay.
All right. So the tape is on now. We just have to drill those 3 little holes so we can screw it actually in there. Because there actually is no holes in the rear portion of this bumper. You just have to screw them in yourself. But they do give you tape to kind of hold it in place. So once we get it lined up, Mike's gonna drill it. I'll screw it, and she should be sitting real nice.
So we're using self-tapping screws, and just away we go. I may actually upgrade to actual screws with the bolt. I will see if it's holding or not, because I don't think it's not holding. Yep, that's it. Now the other side.
side's done, left side is done. They are bolted, instead of self-tapping screws, going with the actual screw and a washer on a nut, kind of just keep it even more snug on there. Because now you know for sure that thing's not coming off at all. So
yeah,
this
definitely side screws now.
Yeah.
This thing is sticking out like a sore thumb. Okay.
Yeah, but the profile from the rear right here.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
The boot's looking juice.
I think we should move to the front now, because that's the only thing left.
Rear's done, onto the front. The only thing we're missing from the full ECS kit are the side skirts, but those are on back ordered. As soon as we get them, we will install them as well, so Mike has the complete ECS kit. Super happy with the rears right now, they're looking phenomenal. And then we'll get the fronts on and get her off the lift and see what she looks like, but it's coming together quite nice. A lot of dirt?
No, I just had the car detailed, but I need to take the front plastic cover on so we can actually screw this shit over. Otherwise, we're just gonna be able to use the self-tapping screws, which I'm not a fan of.
Can we just take these off?
I think. No, I'm gonna take this plastic.
The whole tray off? The whole under tray?
This thing on me. It should come off.
Without taking the bumper off?
Without, at least for the middle bolt, because otherwise there's not. You cannot just grab it and get it. The middle, in the middle of the.
Oh, I see.
So you need to have it.
Might have to take the whole bumper off.
Just don't pull it too hard, because there's like clips that are holding it in. Oh, fuck! We need to clean this. What's there?
There you go.
Jesus Christ!
Look, it's a cigarette. What do we got in the tray?
Push it outside.
We got a nail. We got a ciggy.
A rock.
The hell
Oh yeah?
Man.
Toss it to the garbage.
Yeah. Taking out the trash. Move back. Only Mike would vacuum underneath his car. Look at that.
Okay, so idea here.
Should we take the tape off?
I will. How good does it fit?
Oh, it looks good, bro.
Yeah?
Good, man.
It looks
Does it?
really good.
Ooh,
Okay.
I get
So,
the best shot.
Alejandro,
so.
you kind of know where it's gonna sit?
It looks like it's sitting properly over here.
Okay, then what we're gonna do?
Damn,
Take the
dude.
foil off.
Can't wait for you to
Just
see
from
this.
the front, just all the way here, not the actual front. Because we didn't do that on the rear.
You think this will fit my car? Or is it the different, they got a different bumper?
No, it won't fit. No, you have a whole different front.
You think so?
Oh, look at this front.
Yeah, yours is more rounded to the front.
Oh, yeah. So this will not work on my car.
Nope. I will show both of you and I will hold the middle. So let's lift it up.
Well, I want you to see it.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I want to just kind of eyeball it so we are aware. All the way through, and so it goes on the top.
Yeah, it goes over.
And then you just press it here. It goes over the bumper on top.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
See it?
It's just how
Okay.
my lip was.
Yeah, so okay, drop it down. We're gonna get the edges first. Then you're gonna hold it and I'm gonna pull the tape off.
What happens when you don't have nails? You gotta use a knife.
No, this is so hot the tape just doesn't stick. Okay. Yeah, done. How does it look? Fucking epic. No. I did it out.
That looks really aggressive now.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, that completes it, man. It's gonna look really good with the grill overlays. Now it's time to screw. Woo. Lips on. Now we got the grill overlays. And then we'll bring the baby down. Then we're gonna grill some chicken for dinner.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'm a ride.
Alright boys, Mike's lowering the S4 now, and then we're gonna see how it looks like on the ground. I think it's gonna look a little bit better. It looks great right now. I think it's gonna look better when it's not just so high up in the air in your face, so.
That's why it looks.
It's done. Couple sweaty boys. Couple sweaty boys. About an hour for the lip and the rear. I think it looks great. Mike is a little unsure about the front fog overlays. They look really aggressive. I think they look good. The lip is perfect. I love the way the lip sits. And the rear. Ooh. It's coming together, dude. It's coming together.
It's done.
Side skirts and we're good to go. We still have a couple mods on my S4 to do. We did order exhaust. It's coming soon, hopefully. It is the ECS valved catback exhaust, so we're super excited to get that guy in. That is gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you on the next one for more mods of the S4. Peace.
Buddy, whose dog is this? Whose puppy is this? Little guy.
Those are my toes.
We just pulled the doggy out. Or we just pulled the car out and the little doggy came to say hi. Hey, buddy.
What'd you say?
Something about the vlog. The puppies just love, they just want to be in the vlog.
They want to be in the vlog and they want to stay at Mike's garage.
He literally looks like Star Fox.
He does look like Star. Oh, you're a model. Look at you. Look at you, you model.